was always us. Two quiet souls in a crowded hall, back row silence, avoiding it all. Same kind of broken, same kind of shy, both looking down when the world passed by. No big moments, no loud scene, just small talk turning into something clean. Said hi like it meant more, and somehow it did. We didn't fix it, we didn't try, we just stood there side by side. And for a moment the noise went away. When you looked my way, we were dancing in the rain, laughing through the pain. No one else, just me and you, like the world couldn't get through. Holding on when everything felt wrong, we found where we belong. Not perfect, but true in every way. Just us in the rain. Just us in the rain. Your hands would shake, so would mine. We never needed perfect lines, just sitting close was more than enough. That kind of quiet love. Broken homes and heavy days, we carried more than we could say. But somehow when you leaned on me, it didn't feel so heavy. We didn't run, we didn't hide, we just stayed through every night. And even when the world turned cold, we didn't let go. We were dancing in the rain, smiling through the pain. No one else, just me and you, like the darkness never knew. Holding on when everything felt wrong, we found where we belong. Not perfect, but true in every way. Just us in the rain. Just us in the rain. We don't need to be like them, we're enough like this. If the world falls out of place, I'll still know your face. Go! We were dancing in the rain, washing off the pain. No one else, just me and you, like we always knew. Holding on and we're still strong after all we've been through. Not perfect, but real in every way. Just us in the rain, still here, still